Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege is not launching or opening. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to your documents here, and then you need to look for My Games. Then you should see Rainbow Six Siege. Then you should see this folder here, and then you should see Game Settings. So go to Game Settings, and then you need to find window mode. And as you can see here, there is three options here: full screen, windowed, and borderless. So what you need to do here, you need to select borderless here. Sometimes full screen causes the problems here. So, and then you need to just press save. And after you launch the game, in game itself, you can change your windowed mode, so you can change into full screen, but sometimes it can cause a problem, so keep in mind that. And after you change from 0 to 2 here, make sure to save the changes here. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here is to basically you need to go to the program files where you install the game. For me is on disk C, program files x86, and then you need to find here for me Steam, then Steam apps, common, and then here should be Rainbow Six Siege here. And then I need to go to scroll down until I see, as you can see here, exe file here, this one. And then I need to go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then select these two options here as well: disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Press apply, okay, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So if you bought, for example, Rainbow Six Siege on Steam, you need to go to library, then you need to find the game here, and then you need to right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and here you should see verify integrity of the game files. It will take a couple of minutes, but after that, if you have some corrupted files, they will be fixed. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to basically update your operating system and your GPU as well. And to update your operating system, on search, you just need to write here check for updates, right? And here it should be here install button or check for updates button, so you need to just press on that. And then if there is a update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU. Of course, depending on what GPU you're using, AMD or NVIDIA, there is two separate apps to that. If you're using AMD, there is a app that is called AMD Radeon, and if you're using NVIDIA, there is an app that is called GeForce Experience. You can download completely for free from a official NVIDIA website. And then you just need to open it here, select drivers here, then you need to select check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to install, download and install, please do so, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.